This video is an appreciation video. I just crossed over 70 subscribers on YouTube and I couldn't be happier. As you can see by my smile, which is not going because 73 actual people who liked what I made, and that made them subscribe to my channel to see more of my content. And I just want to say thank you to each one of those people. I mean, you make a difference. If you look at it, I mean, 73 is nothing and also everything. It's everything for me. And if you compare it with someone else, people with millions of subscribers, it's nothing. What is 73? They get 73 subscribers in a second. They're getting more than 73 in a second every day. And here I am. It took me 5 videos to get to 73. And I think that's worth it. This is just quite overwhelming for me. I mean, I'm just happy making videos, but to actually be backed up by support and by encouraging messages, it's a lot. I'm just really happy. I woke up today and I was just scrolling Instagram and I saw this post by Irfan Junejo. So I went to his profile. The second picture is posted and here's the caption. You have to be willing to be a beginner. It's like the great albums and the great artists. They are always changing the technique because they are not afraid of being a beginner. Like Madonna or U2 or Eminem, they'll have as many flops as they have hits because they are not afraid of completely starting over. They have beginner's mind, but to do that you really have to not care what other people think. You have to be more into the art than to be worried about the failure. There is no failure because the victory, the joy, the success comes in practicing the art. It comes in genuinely learning new things. A quote by Naval. This beautiful quotation right here is the reason why I'm making this video. If you're gonna start something new, not many people are gonna support you. Hell, even your friends are not gonna support you always. And you'll be thinking that you'll need a bunch of people to help you, to support you, to push you towards your goal. But that's all in your head. You don't need a bunch of people. All you need is one person, and that is you. And anything else you get is a bonus. And be lucky if you have that. And if you have that one person that is pushing you, then that's it. That's enough. I started making YouTube videos and I know my videos are not perfect and they can never be. They have thousands of mistakes in them. Sometimes the video quality is not enough or the audio quality is not enough. Or I'm talking about bizarre stuff. I go out of topic. I repeat stuff. But I'm learning. I'm learning the whole craft. I'm learning the process of creating something, editing, re-editing, learning new things. And you'll have to be brave to learn new things and put yourself out there for people to laugh. And people are gonna laugh. But what I believe is if you want something and if you really want something, nothing will stop you. People can point fingers at you, laugh at you, mock you, and it won't matter to you. What will matter is what you would want to do, and you're gonna keep doing it. The only thing is you'd have to want it enough. Just to give what I'm saying a bit of context, I'm gonna talk about Mr. Beast. He started YouTube when he was 13 years old in 2012. He started making Minecraft videos and he didn't have any audience, very little if you compare to what his channel is now. And he had nothing. He was uploading daily and he was uploading daily videos and weekly videos and he was getting no views, no substantial amount of views. And he still kept going at it. He still did the grind. He kept making videos and it took him 4 years. At the end of 2016, he crossed 100,000 subscribers and the growth beyond that was exceptional. He has about 35 million subscribers now. I saw this interview of him by Casey Neistat and Casey asked him what you're going to be doing in the next 20 years or when you're going to be older. And he said, I'll be making YouTube videos. 100% I'll be making YouTube videos because I just always wanted to be a YouTuber. That's what I wanted since always. And those 4 years of uploading daily and getting almost no result didn't stop him. It took him 4 years to cross 100,000 subscribers. It took a year for Irfan Juneja to cross 100,000 subscribers. It took Peter McKinnon 1 year to cross 1,000,000 subscribers. It took Jake Paul 6 months to cross 5 million subscribers. That's what I'm talking about. Your growth cannot be compared to anyone. And people will tell you it's a big race filled with everyone, and everyone is running towards this end goal, and nobody knows what the end goal is, but they're all running and you're in this race and you have to be compared with everyone. You have to look here and there and see what everybody's doing. But that's not true. Everybody is on a race, but it's individual. You are in competition, but with yourself, your past self. And the only question is, can you outrun that guy? You only have to outrun yourself. And that's why I keep making videos, I keep grinding, I keep learning new things. I keep putting myself out there for people to mock me and laugh at me, because that's what I want to do. I once saw this picture and it was the support, the congratulations. And that is how it's gonna be always. I could stop right now and just end this whole process of learning. And let's say ending is one scenario and continuing is one scenario. Let's say in a year I'd have learned new things, I'd have a lot of more opportunities, I'd get a lot of people that would actually want to see me. I'd be missing out on that just because I let some people limit me. What if Mr. Beast had done the same? What if Irfan Juneja had done the same? What if Muru had done the same? What if Peter McKinnon had done the same? What if Casey Neistat had done the same? Because people did laugh at every one of them. So this message is to everyone and to myself especially, that people are gonna be how they are, but you should also be how you are and do what you like. So all 73 people that have subscribed, thank you. Thank you for accompanying me on this very ordinary journey. It's not going to be exceptional, but it is going to be original. It is going to be me. Thank you.